Sending kids to preschool or a daycare for long hours can cause anxiety and stress in parents.
My name is Dr. Bindu Sarfare and I'm a mother of Jian Sarfare.
Myself Bhagyashree Ketan. I am a mom of twins kids.
So my name is Neela Sampath. I have two kids. Krishna, who's about 10 years old, and Siddharth, who's about 4 now.
Hi, my name is Sonali. I'm Meera Arjun's mother.
Hi, I am Rohit. I am Arjun and Meera's father.
Hi, I am Veerashri Patil. I am mama of Sadi Patil.
I wanted school that could take him into an early age, as we both are working parents, and we had an appreciation to keep such a small kid into the hands from 9 to 5 into a schooling and a daycare at one place where a child is not able to speak, where my child could not speak anything, could not express. He would not even complain because he is a very shy child, and we would worry as if how would he, even if he is hungry or if he is hurt by some other child, how would be that taken care of.
मैं outside country रहती हूँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. We just came here hardly 10-15-20 days पहले. कौन सा अच्छा daycare है जहाँ हम अपने बच्चों को डाल सकते हैं, किसी पे भरोसा कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स से हमेशा सुनते आए हैं नहीं daycare में नहीं डालना है क्योंकि नहीं ध्यान रखते हैं, अच्छी तरीके से नहीं ध्यान रखते. तो वो एक क्वेश्चन बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन था हमारे माइंड में.
Our main requirement was we wanted a place which was close to our place of work. The commute should be less. So the kind of setup that we have at home, the kind of values that we have, so a place which could, give the child the same thing.
One of the things that I was really looking for was, for them to have exposure to many different kinds of activities. Whether it's as basic as coloring or knowing your ABCD or finding different activities to do. Because honestly, at home they were just busy with each other, playing and creating a ruckus at home. So exposure to a lot of activities was one thing that we really wanted to have in any daycare that we wanted to kind of choose.
जेव्हा स्टार्टिंगला अद्वैतला डेकेअरला ठेवायचा विचार केला तेव्हा खूप टेन्शन होतं. ॲक्च्युली कळतच नव्हतं की ठेवलं पाहिजे की नाही, काय केलं पाहिजे. पण मी जॉब करत असल्यामुळे ठेवणं मस्त होतं त्याला. तर इंटरनेटवरती खूप सारे डेकेअर सर्च केले, रिव्ह्यूज पाहिले, पण त्यामध्ये बेस्ट मला वंडर किड्स वाटलं. पण ठेवताना असं वाटलं की माझी जागा इथे कोणी घेऊ शकेल का, अद्वैतला म्हणजे एवढं केअरफुली कोणी हँडल करेल का, कारण की तो प्री मॅच्युअर होता आणि म्हणजे माझ्याप्रमाणे त्याची काळजी घेणं पण इम्पॉर्टंट होतं.
So when I was looking for a school and a daycare for my daughter, my biggest concern was, given COVID, she was at home for like 2 years in the comfort of her family, in the comfort of her house. So the biggest concern was how she will open up, interact with other kids of her own age.
Every parent wants to ensure that their kid is in safe hands when away from home. There is no love greater than the mother's love, and no care greater than the father's care. At Wonder Kids Preschool and Daycare, children are loved and cared for like a family. A safe haven for your little ones, where the child is not only taken well care of, but nurtured with values that enrich their personality for a brighter future. Wonder Kids Preschool and Daycare has everything your child needs to be calm and happy when away from home. Comfortable open campus with safe and spacious play area. Homely atmosphere with defined areas for playing, learning, dining and sleeping. Clean and hygienic facility with clean toilets, surfaces and clean drinking water. Cooperative and caregiving staff who treat the children like their close ones with respect and consideration. Safety ensured with round-the-clock assistance on call and WhatsApp. No trespassers policy. Complete CCTV surveillance. Fun learning activities and value education that takes care of the overall growth of the child. personalized attention and one-to-one interaction with child, emotional support and understanding towards the parents.
I'm Swati Mitra, founder director of Wonderkids. See, when I started with Wonderkids, it was actually the passion for the kids. That was the first thing we started with. So being with children, I always love the time which I spent with them. When the kids are around, I actually have always very happy. And then first it was not easy to forget. I was just waiting for the kids to come. I was just waiting for the parents to come. And then the whole big mob of children around with parents inside, and then very nice. The day when we started with Wonderkids, every parent who was entering the school, the intention behind was whether my child will learn ABCD or 1, 2, 3, or his curriculum, whether he take fruits, vegetables, all those in memory, which has been used in those days. I always wanted to say that. I felt like why not the holistic development? I felt communication skills, social skills, behavioral skills. These are very important emotional skills. These skills are more important than ABCD and 1, 2, 3. If we introduce everything to the children, how to dance, how to play, how to get socialized, how to share your things, how to ask for the things what you want, how to decide the things what you want to, if you want to take any decisions in the future. So at moldable stage, if we all give all these things, the child's personality will be much better than only learning ABCD and 1. See, what is very important at this age? The most important is comfort. Love, comfort, care. These are the most important things every parent expects when they enter Wonderkids. So we also believe in the comfort first, because when you feel comfortable with someone, you are more happy to learn from that person. The remaining time should be utilized in positive learning. Instead of just roaming here and there or just walking here and there, we have made beautiful walls in the classroom where children either singly or can play in the group. They can go and they can start playing. Their teacher's guidance is not required. Then we have shelves, we have toy racks, where very natural materialistic to develop better innovations and better innovative child and better creative child. See, I really believe the child develops very well at the playground. If the child is physically fit, the child is mentally fit, socially fit, and emotionally fit. Because every development revolves around physical fitness. So we have made our ground so beautifully where the children will get proper physical development along with lots of key games where they will develop their leadership qualities, where the child will learn to accept the defeat, how to go ahead with other members, how to make groups, how to strategize the things. Secondly, we have beautiful premises for personality development. Because I believe at this stage, the children are molded. So whatever things we give to the children, they easily accept it and they can be molded into that. So we have designed a stage for children where people generally have always have the conscious of my stage. But our children at this stage, nicely they wait for the stage, they want to go on the stage. So whatever is required for these age group children for every development, whether it is emotional, whether it is mental, whether it is physical, whether it is personality development. So each and every corner of Wonderkids is designed in the way where the child will keep getting all these developments. It is not like that I have to do this thing for this or that thing. The child will keep moving around and the child will keep getting everything. So finally, this is the best gift from Wonderkids to every child of PCH. And what is the tagline of Wonderkids is? It should be wow, it should not be orange. Thank you.
With a foundation experience of more than 21 years, Wonderkids has nurtured 4,000 plus toddlers for preschool and 500 plus children for daycare, with 800 plus kids for phonetic classes and 1,000 plus children for abacus learning. We have parent and child-centric activities of conceptual learning, personality development, Mother-toddler program, abacus learning, phonics classes, and activity center. The development needs of children keep changing as they grow from being toddlers to conscious children. Studies show that the period from birth to the age of 8 defines the long-term personality of humans. This is the age when the child soaks up all the knowledge and values to prepare for the rest of their life. At Wonder Kids, we believe in a kindergarten teaching method that gives more importance to experience learning with a practical approach. We go through a light and effective procedure of onboarding the kids at preschool and daycare, where pre-joining guidelines and counseling for parents. The parents are counseled and made aware of the child's psychology and behavior with proper guidelines for child interaction at home and beyond. Self-paced learning and adaptability for the child. Every child is beautiful in its way, at its different speed of grasping. The child faces separation anxiety and learning gap during the early stages, and we totally respect the space and time taken by the child to gel with the atmosphere at Wonder Kids. Fun learning for 360-degree growth of the child. We involve children in activities that give them first-hand experiences and exposure to tap their physical, emotional, and social capabilities while having fun. Emotional bonding of child and teacher. Learning is fun when the student and teacher are emotionally bonded. We conduct interactions where the child opens up with the teachers and achieves better brain functioning and cognitive development. The two-way journey of your child's growth is achieved with equal contributions from the parents and teachers, ensuring that a holistic environment is maintained at the preschool and the home to let the child flourish.
But I'm very, very thankful, and now my son is 5 years that I'm being connected with Wonder Kids, and I'm extremely happy, and I'm the relaxed parent because my son has been groomed in a very beautiful way. He has changed into a more shy guy to a very confident, who can speak, who
would say this was the best place for them कि हर वो चीज़ सीख रहे हैं. काफ़ी सारी पोएम सीखी, जो चीज़ें वो लोग नहीं सीखे थे वहाँ वो यहाँ पे सीख चुके. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट इंडियन फूड खाना सीखे, जो एज अ पेरेंट हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे इंडियन फूड बिल्कुल नहीं खाते थे, वो पूरे ऑस्ट्रेलियन बन चुके थे. तो हम दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन में थे कि हमारे बच्चे कभी सब्जी रोटी खाएंगे क्या. एंड यहाँ आने के बाद वो चीज़ें, इट वॉज लाइक विद इन 15 days दे हैव स्टार्टेड ईटिंग प्रॉपर इंडियन फूड, मतलब सब्जी रोटी प्रॉपर खाते हैं. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि यहाँ मेरे बच्चों को डाल के हमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है कि बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पर लाइक एडजस्ट हो गए हैं.
And we can really see the difference in them. Today, they are much more open. They socialize with kids other than, just both of them. They have interests in coloring, the unique way in which the teachers here kind of teach, impart knowledge is really amazing. And we are very happy to have our kids studying here.
I think they've become more confident as well. So that is one of the difference that I see as a mom. They've become much more open and they're.
मग मी आले, स्वाती मॅमना भेटले, योगिता मॅम भेटल्या. त्यांनी जो मला कॉन्फिडन्स दिला की अरे तू नको टेन्शन घेऊ, आम्ही आहोत, तो राहील, तो कॉन्फिडन्स माझ्यासाठी खूप म्हणजे खूप खूप इम्पॉर्टंट होता. तो कॉन्फिडन्स बघून मला असं वाटलं की नाही यार, आहे माझ्यानंतर आहेत, हे सगळे केअर करू शकतील दिवसभर. मग अद्वैतला इथं ठेवायचं फायनली आम्ही डिसाईड केलं. आणि माझ्याप्रमाणे जसे मी केअर घेते तसंच योगिता मॅमनी, सोनाली मावशी, बाकीच्या पण मावशी आहेत, म्हणजे मला नाव नाही लक्षात आहे, स्वाती मॅम, यांनी मला म्हणजे खूप पॉझिटिव्हली सपोर्ट केला.
ॲज अ कंप्लेंट म्हणून काही नाही आहे, ते ॲज अ गुड टेक केअर करता. योगिता मॅम तर स्वतःच्या मुलासारखं काळजी घेतात, जे
सिरियसली
माझ्यासाठी तर खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. म्हणजे फुल डे कसा राहतो, टेक केअर कसं करता.
आणि मेन म्हणजे डे बाय डे संध्याकाळी आल्यानंतर आज अद्वैतने असं केलं, आज तसं केलं, म्हणजे जे काही त्याचे बिहेवियर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतात फुल अपडेट मिळतात संध्याकाळी आल्यानंतर. आणि हॅपी असतो, म्हणजे असं नाही की रडतो
संध्याकाळी
किंवा असं.
भेटलं की स्माइलिंग चेहरा.
हां.
Since we don't speak Marathi and he was not fluent with Hindi or English, so there was a lag in the communication. So that initial hurdle was completely, taken care by Swati ma'am, where she, put in a special, a separate person who could communicate in our mother tongue. And the language part, he was able to, pick up Hindi, Marathi within about 3-4 months. There was a tremendous development as to what we had seen in the first 1 year, 2 months, whatever. So it was more like a second home, or this was more like a first home for him, where that entire whatever he is today, I can say maybe a major portion of what he is today is because of what he learnt in Wonder Kids.
So there was a transition period of like 1 week where the entire staff, including Swati ma'am, helped us make her more comfortable. And after that, there was not a single day when my daughter came to me saying that I don't want to go to school. So the biggest change that I have seen in her is she has become more happy, more joyful, cheerful at home. She's more confident because of all the activities that are being conducted at Wonder Kids. Be it dancing on a stage, be it being part of a drama or any skits which are handled and taken care of in the school. So all of this has made her highly confident.
If you want your child to be groomed with many other things, kindly join Wonder Kids. That's my request to everybody. Thank you so much.
Caring, honesty, respect, and responsibility. Wonder Kids Preschool and Daycare. Child care at its excellence, because your child deserves the best.